Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. Open your Instagram application and navigate to your profile. Now look for the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Click on them and select Setting and Privacy. Now access to the account center and choose Personal Details. Then select Account Ownership and Control and proceed to deactivation or delete. Select your account. You will be prompted to choose between deactivation or delete. Make your choice and click on Continue. Now enter your Instagram password and click on Continue. Select your reason for deactivation and click on Continue. Then confirm the deactivation. Now your account is deactivated successfully. Remember, you can reactivate your account anytime by logging again. If you choose to delete your account, it will be recovered within 30 days time period. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.